Today I'm going to show you exactly how to point your name servers from GoDaddy to DreamHost, as well as talk about what name servers do and why there's like 2 or 3 of them usually. Okay, so the first thing, and this is what I did because I use DreamHost as well, is I logged into my DreamHost and then went over to, I will enlarge this thing here. I went over to this left menu where it says support and then knowledge base, and I just typed in point GoDaddy domain to DreamHost name servers. I just typed it in and it came up with all these different results, and the second one is the one that I wanted. Okay, so I clicked on that. That's the one you want. It says name servers on it, and then it brought up this FAQ that kind of walks you through it a little bit. But down here is the 3 name servers right here. They look just like this, and that's what you want. Okay, so when you find that, then what I did was I logged into GoDaddy. Okay, and on the left there's a little button that says Portfolio. I'll enlarge this here, and right here, and then you have all these different domains. I have a few of them. Funny story. I used to own actually way more domains, and I've lost a lot of money on domains. But anyways, that's another topic. So, all the domains in GoDaddy, there's like these 3 little dots, right? And if you click on that dot, it'll bring up all these different options. And if you scroll to the very bottom, you'll see edit name servers, and that's what you want. You want to click that to edit the name servers. Okay, so that's what I did. And then it'll bring up a screen that looks exactly like this that says edit the name servers. And you don't want to use the GoDaddy name servers. I'll use my own ones, and then what you do is those name servers that you found in DreamHost, those 3, you just copy it and you paste it exactly into here. Boom, 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 and save it. And it can take 24 hours or 48 hours to change the name servers. It could take that long. And DreamHost is an amazing company that I currently use. It has a 97-day money-back guarantee, and it has a very clean checkout. A lot of budget hosting companies are famous for keeping, well, the whole checkout process is minefield, where they have a bunch of pre-checked boxes for add-ons and stuff like that you don't need. So anyways, one might be wondering, what do name servers actually do? Well, when someone types in your domain name, the computer's asking GoDaddy, like, okay, where are the files at, right? And then GoDaddy will respond going, I don't have the files. No, but here's these name servers, go ask them. Then the computer goes to those name servers, which is like a direction sign, and points to the exact web hosting server where the website's files, images, and content is all stored. So it's like directions, really. So you might be wondering, well, why is there 3 of them? Have you ever thought about that? Well, it's for security. So if a massive power outage, right, cyber attack or tech glitch takes out one name server, then the second one will take over. So that way your website won't experience downtime, which is a real big bummer. It has happened to me a few times. And one time I didn't update my SSL certificate. And if you're not sure what that is, it's like it's a security badge. Like if you don't have an SSL certificate on your website, you'll notice that there'll be like don't trust this website type of thing, right? You don't want that. But what was cool about DreamHost is, the tech support walked me exactly how to do everything. So it's kind of like peace of mind in case you ever do that. Before I forget, if you got some value so far from this, then please consider hitting the like button and the subscribe button because it helps me. Now you might be wondering, okay, well that's great, Kevin. I got this website up, but how do I actually make money with this thing? Well, I actually made a whole video that goes over how to use content to convert high-ticket offers. Excuse me, my throat is dying for some reason. Which can help you make money, because to me, I think that's really pretty important. Some people chase vanity, which is like views, likes, fancy thumbnails, but at the end of the game, you got to convert. So I made a whole video, and I'll put that video up here, and you can check it out, as well as down in the description. And even this website here, this has a whole bunch of cool resources and cool little extra bonuses like free hosting. I talk about free hosting as well in here, and some really interesting things about free hosting. And I'll put this whole resource like hub thing down in the description and the first comment, and you can check it out as well. There's a whole walkthrough too that you can kind of take your time and walk you through it. So I hope this might have been at least a little bit helpful to you. You have a wonderful and awesome rest of your day. All right, bye.